Hi everyone, and today I'm going to talk about the fundamental concept in OOP, which is inheritance. Inheritance means inherit behaviors and properties of the superclass, which means the parent class, to its inherited subclass, or else we can call it as a child class. I'll explain in a code level example so you can get a broad idea about what is happening in the inheritance. So yeah, I have created a parent class and I have defined some properties in the class and a method just to print a value. Then now I will create a child class which we are going to inherit from our parent class. Here we can change it as child. So yes, we can, just to get an idea, we can remove these properties. And inside the main method, now we are going to create an object from the child class like this. You can create a property from child class. Then first we can access child class method, which is print child. Let's see the output. As you can see, it's called this child class method, as simple as that. And now we are talking about inheritance. What can inheritance achieve? Like we can access now. We cannot access the parent class, right? You can see this. If we are trying to access a parent class now, it it will get a compilation error, as you can see, because we haven't still inherit from the parent class. Now we are going to inherit it by in Java. We can use extends to inherit, and the name of the class we are going to inherit. Now see, then if we are trying to access our parent class method, as you can see, let's see, just this, and let's see what is happening. Ah, yes, yes, we got the answer. It's accessing the parent class method and print this value. Likewise, yes, let's try to print a property. Try to access a property. Let's print the property from the child class object. But as you can see, I have defined a child property for a parent class, which is this string word. It's assigned this value. Let's see whether we can access that value or not from the child class object. Okay, yes, as you can see, it's printed like this. So yes, that is what we can do from the inheritance in OOP.